What's going on, guys? Tempo Trades. We have one of the best trades we've ever taken this month. For sure, one of the best. This was absolutely insane. We're 1-0, made a shit ton of money today, and I want to show you exactly how we did it. So let's market replay into open. All right, so here was open. Here was open, and let me walk through my process. Okay, so we opened and we kind of just dumped overnight, and then at 7 a.m. we retraced a little bit. Now, if you draw the 50% level, you could see that we pretty much opened right at the 50% level. So I was telling people, you know, just calm down, don't take anything right now. We're gonna wait. Second. Here is the bias. Again, current bias is to go hit London high at 302. We're tapping into our 50% level. Just be patient, wait for a sweep and execute. And then I wrote, I'm going to look for a setup once we tap London high, right? You could see price opened, tapped London high very quickly. And here is where our play was. So I'm going to hit this. Boom. Okay. So we hit London high exactly as I forecasted. Right? Exactly as I forecasted. So now we look for a setup. Shorts are valid. The problem is on NQ, we have two gaps, right? When you trade IFEGs, you want singular gaps. If you trade multiple gaps, your probability and your win rate is going to suffer. Now, the trade could still work, but again, when we're trading, it's calculated risk taking. We want to take the best setup available to give us, you know, a chance of winning. So I said, okay, you know, I will take this 1 minute on NQ, but if I can look at ES, if ES has a cleaner setup, I'll take it. So I went on the 2 minute, and you could see that ES did have a cleaner setup. ES had this 2 minute gap right here. There's no other gaps. It's singular. And I'm like, all right, I'm going to take this 2 minute on ES. You could take the 1 minute on NQ if you want. And I alerted, I was in short, and the rest was history. Look at this. I said, looking at this ES 2 minute, I'm in short, and the rest is history. I mean, we hit 16 points. So right here, I got in short. Very nice and easy entry. It looked like for a second there, we were going to get stopped out, or very next candle pumped all the way up, but failed to close over the gap. And every single TP hit. I mean, every single TP hit. Here was TP1, here was TP2, here was TP3. Every single TP hit. Beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day. From the entry to the low, it went up almost 18 points. So I trimmed everything, pretty much everything at 16. But wow. Wow. I'm very humbled. I'm very just blessed that I trade this model. And that was it. I didn't touch it. We were done. We were done for the day at 9:50. I didn't touch anything. I locked all my funded accounts. You guys do not understand how much 16 points on ES is. On NQ, the NQ trade itself almost went 100 points. So if you would have taken this IFEG, right? Entry is a close under, stop loss is a close above. This itself went 95 points. So whether you took it on NQ, whether you took it on ES, again, wait for your major liquidity sweeps into the IFEG setups. It is a money glitch, guys, okay? So that was my trade today. Again, there's a lot of people that are waiting till 2025 to trade, or, you know, they're just not trading this week or last week, and you're missing these opportunities straight up, right? History does tend to repeat itself, but it's not guaranteed. We've seen in the past that December has had bad price action, but this week has been great. I had 5 green days, 0 red days. Last week was pretty good, and you're just missing opportunities if you don't at least show up for 90 minutes, 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., at least show up and see if a model or a setup will present itself. And I mean, we're just killing it. We're absolutely killing it. If you're watching this and you're a free member, please come try it yourself. There's no risk. You can come trade with me 7 days for free. Just go in the Get Access channel and claim your free trial, and you'll see that this shit works. But other than that, I'm done. 1-0 for the day. Perfect on the week. And we will see you on the next one. Take it easy.